is that? Better check it out. I need meat. They are pretty low. You know, we can do going back. Yeah. The iron spinnaker. I'm Adventureman Dan, a regular guy who's living life to the fullest. What I do, many think is crazy, but life is either a daring adventure or it's nothing at all. For years, I've taken every opportunity to explore around the globe. But now aboard my sailboat Adventureborne, I'm the master of my fate. So join me as I travel by the wind, play in the waves, harvest food from the depths, and teach those who sail with me aboard Adventureborne.
So, it is about 05 early in the morning, and I'm off to pick Maru Tzia up from the airport. This morning kind of marks the end of this chapter of being here at the marina, but it kind of marks the beginning of the chapter in the Bahamas. I just got to the airport, a little groggy, but we're gonna get to go meet Maru Tzia soon.
Alright, Maru Tzia, this is what our footage is going to look like. You gotta say some stuff to the camera.
Wait, say something?
Yeah. We sailing along and doing stuff, and this is what it's going to be like.
Trying to survive from shark attacks.
So, we have Maru Tzia, professional photographer and professional stand-up paddleboard, bull riding, rodeo champion.
That day ended up being an awesome session. Cold north wind came down over the jetty, giving me a smooth, slick pocket, and nobody else around, and I could do all the tricks I wanted. This one was my favorite. We were sailing, the wind was on our side, and then it died. 100% have the right of way. I mean, plus like they're crossing, plus they're under motor, we're under sail, plus we're larger. They won't hit us. So, there are two kinds of wind. I'm sure there's more than that, but there's two kinds of wind. You get true wind when you stand still, or maybe you're at an anchorage or whatever. But watch my sails. Watch my jib especially. You ready? Pick up some. Okay. And that is really what we don't want. There's a lot of what's known as wind shadowing going on here. So remember, that arrow isn't pointing where we're going.
Yeah.
That arrow, only when we're moving, it's giving us the apparent wind sail. Especially with no waves. Oh man, we would just be zooming along. But I kind of want to go north today. There's an anchorage I'm hoping I can take you to that's really, really nice. Yeah, good to see you guys too. What a beautiful time. I'm your friend. This Maru. Alrighty then, so this is going to be our anchorage for at least a day. We'll see how long we feel like staying. As the sun was setting, I thought it was a good time to launch my drone. A Phantom 3 Professional, a bit older, a bit used, but still flying and doing well. Unfortunately though, it's having some camera problems, so just bear with the footage. We'd spend the next couple of days anchored here. This got us away from the dock and got Maru used to life on the sailboat at anchor, where we'll be for the next several months. This was gorgeous. Too bad the drone isn't quite able to capture it, but you can imagine. It was a perfect way to end the day. Now, just to carefully and expertly land the drone. And perfect. Due to several problems with this aging drone, I think it was nothing short of a miracle it made it back on the boat. And this was the second crash. So, we're just waking up this morning. It's pretty much a perfect day. Having my famous breakfast mix. Everything you need to start your day. And I think we'll do some paddleboarding, kind of around here.
This is very peaceful.
What do you think about sailing so far?
There's a lot to learn. I like it.
Well, in my professional opinion, I think today is going to be a beautiful day.
Of course. Yeah. It's like clouds.
So, my friend Greg, that I met at the marina, he's been a fan of mine for a little while, and me and him got talking, and he goes, "Hey, can I give you some, thing of coffee?" And I was like, "Yeah, that'd be great." And this is what he gave me, and we're gonna find out what it is.
Wow.
Yeah, he said like stuff. Now let's see. Oh, look, some stickers.
Oh my
god.
Yeah. First wave coffee. It's pretty cool. So a big reason why he wanted to support me, because he has a sailor blend, a surfer blend, and a fisherman blend. And he's like, "You do all those?" And I was like, "I sure do."
Wow.
Wow.
Okay, so it's like for all the crew.
Alright, so first off, that's a nice looking shirt.
Yeah.
To do, wake up, drink coffee, be awesome. There's like 50 coffee beer koozie things. These are beer koozies, aren't they?
Yeah.
You know I don't drink, so I don't know these things. Alright, well that's really cool.
Oh my god, the grinder.
What? He didn't say he was giving us that. That's so nice of him. Open it up, open it up. First I grabbed is Sailor's Brew. How many different ones do we have here?
Light.
Let's just-
This is medium,
What's this?
light, and dark.
Yeah, I'm okay with my boat smelling like this. Hashtag living in the moment. Hashtag not selling out. Oh yeah, hashtag I love coffee. What if, hold on. Do the photos like. There you go, a little more power. Come on, you're almost there. Oh, 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 a little to the left. A little to your other left. Come on, you're almost there. Go, go, go. Just get back to here and I'll give you a better lesson.
Wait, what did I turn around the boat or what?
Just grab onto the boat and then climb back on it. Paddleboarding's not as easy as it looks. Plane, by the way?
Yeah.
It was like right over your head.
I know. I was like, well, it's gonna crash on top of me.
And this way I can kind of give you a little bit more coaching, and you can't go too far downwind. You can kind of get the idea of the stroke. Maru Tzia just made it to the island all on her own. So what do you think about this little spot, Maru Tzia? What do you think about these 360 camera hashtag live in the moment moments?
Pretty. Oh, what's that?
What is that? Better check it out. Oh, we got dolphins. Did I get that on film? Look at that. Only seconds on the island and Maru Tzia has found an adventure. That was pretty cool.
Relaxing.
Good morning, Maru Tzia.
Morning.
What are we doing today?
We're heading back to the marina. Getting some provisions because we are out of
everything.
Vegetables, basically.
And protein. I need meat.
Oh yeah, but vegetables are more important.
What?
Vegetables are more important.
It's negligible. Alright. Ooh, do we get that cute little yawn on camera? Let's go back to the marina.
Yeah, going back to the marina.
Back to the marina.
And
We'll do a couple projects. I got a few projects I want to do. On, I can motor into my slip and watch the two lines. Look at that. Kind of cool, right?
this is the latitude. I have the same one. So just like the latitude is where it's gonna be the shop. Yeah.
Yeah, what the f is that thing?
Chad, now we have to edit.
It's the way.
Chad, focus on the premium but yet still inexpensive coffee.
His reaction. That was so funny.
We lost them with my hilariously shaped
Oh my god.
selfie stick. Can we? Yeah, we can see it. Here, Chad, do you wanna grasp it?
Here, it's a good coffee holder.
Chad. There we go.
Hey! First wave coffee, thank you.
Good, dude. Looking good. Keep going forward.
There we go.
Wow.
That's why I hate this spot, the current and the wind.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
dude.
gotta keep that momentum.
I'm backing out next time.
That wind,
It's all stressful.
Yeah.
that wind is just, yeah.
It's not even a lot of wind, but you feel how much it affects the boat.
It just drifts it right.
There is a lot of people out today. Yeah. Oh, hello. Hello down there. Ah! Ah! Ah!
I can help it. What's the weight up there, sir?
Not a bad day at all. All right, morale is pretty low. We've been at sea for a while. We're nearly out of our rations. Let's check in with the crew to see how they're doing.
Oh, I don't think we're gonna make it. Oh my god.
See how the helmsman's doing? First mate. Oh. Oh. And then Chad and Sierra. Oh, well, hey.
What's up?
Oh, look at you two.
Good time here.
What are y'all doing?
We're
Catching dinner.
Yeah. We're in the process of trying to catch dinner.
How's that going?
We're moving too fast.
Oh!
Someone knows how to sail up there, right?
Oh!
Are we like taking for a picture?
Smile! Yeah, say photo, it'll take a photo.
Oh, nice.
When you're ready.
Oh, I'm saying it?
Yeah, that's it.
Just yell photo?
Yeah, it's gotta be able to hear you, but yeah. No, I'm fucking with you. You almost go for it though, you're like, you do it. No, you can see it might do it, it has that function. Woo!
No more word than Daniel. I know, with how many people he's been around that speak different languages, you think he would have picked something up by now.
Me big American, me speak English pretty good. I don't know, do you guys want to go explore the island? Yeah?
Yeah.
What if you got affected?
Here, stand right here.
Okay. No, what are you gonna do?
It won't be
Yeah,
bad.
it's what I did the other day. It's fine.
Won't be bad.
Okay.
Yeah, trust me on this. Come forward a little bit more. A little bit more. Just a little bit more.
Oh my god! You're crazy ass. How much did that hurt?
Because the thing is, yeah, it's not a pull-up, it's a leg up is what it is. But yeah, no, it would be cool if I could get the full up with it, but that's pretty tough. I always keep it real.
You're gonna do it again or what?
A little slippery, I gotta put more grip tape. I almost slipped on that one. I was like, alright, where do you want to go, Daniel?
Well, it won't move then.
I'm punching. Oh, damn!
You ready?
Oh, I can't go up.
Over? No? Yeah, no, it's hard.
I'm not good at that. Is it?
Alright, so we've got the group on the boat here. Everybody's having a good time. It's good fun. Still really low tide, but the tide's gonna start coming back up. So we got this sandbar over here. We have a bunch of nudists on the island, so if they're nude when we get there, we've got to strip down. That's just the rules. But I'm gonna go try to take a trip underneath the bottom of the boat, see how I'm doing down there, scope it out for future cleaning, because we're just having too much fun today. I don't really want to clean it today. Strange. It's actually not that dirty underneath. I thought it would be a lot worse. Oh, let's climb up the chain and say hi to everybody. So much for surprising Sierra. Yeah. What are you talking about? I just walked up there. Yeah. I didn't. boat is surprisingly clean. It's really not bad. I mean, they're gonna be right here, and I'm right next to you. Do you think you could drown with me near you?
No.
Well, then there you go. You know, we ain't even in the Bahamas yet, and we're having a good time. Isn't that right, Maru Tzia?
Yeah, for sure. I can't wait.
Maru Tzia, I can't wait. Sarah's swimming out there.
Excited.
That's the biggest bull shark I've ever seen. That's the biggest pod of raping dolphins I've ever seen. Wow, got a couple sailboats here. That's cool. All right, so I did not have to swim far from the boat to be standing. Pretty cool though. You got another sailboat coming here, one following. It's a happening spot today. Sarah has already reached the island. Sierra is paddling for Chad while he fishes. Sarah just made landfall. Walk it on up. How you doing? Yeah. Chad, look at me, look at me. I am the captain now. Oh my gosh, I saw this on that video where they murdered those 3 girls.
It smells like a duty back here.
I wonder, that is a duty. Your nose has not deceived you. And Sierra is running out of the forest. So after successfully building the crab house, we're now ready to return to my sailboat. Alright, well, we're just gonna walk back to the boat until I step on a stingray.
Don't do that. Stingray shuffle.
Stingray shuffle? Alright, it's... I hope you're okay.
Put on your snorkel!
That's a good point. We made it back to the boat. Safe and sound and stronger for it. It's like... Oh, we start heading out of here. Thanks for seeing this adventure through to the end. I hope you enjoyed it, learned something, or were inspired to choose your own lifestyle of adventure. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe button to see more videos like this and help support my channel. I post new videos as often as my chaotic lifestyle allows, but if you'd like to see more content now, check out my Facebook, Instagram, Patreon, and website for everything else, or if you're interested in joining my crew aboard Adventureborne. See you on the next adventure.